What is going on, Ape Nation? Happy New Year. So listen, you guys don't even have a job today. Well, you possibly could have a job today, and that would be to smash that thumbs up button, but only if you want to piss Ken Griffin off. And of course, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe because I drop content just like this every day, except this is going to be different because I'm only here to tell you happy freaking New Year's. I am so happy to be part of your family. I am so happy to be part of Ape Nation. You guys have been great. I appreciate all of the support, and I just wanted to wish you a happy New Year. I want you guys to go out and spend some time with your family, just like I'll be doing today, and just have a great time because you guys deserve it. Every last one of you. Thank you so much for being part of my family, and I can't wait to spend 2022 with you guys, and I will see you guys in 2022 in the next video.